As we embrace online teaching and learning as a new norm in schools and institutes of higher education, we as educators need to adapt to the changes and be tech-savvy. Assignments and tests are now submitted online, mostly in PDF format. Instead of printing them out on papers and marking them with ink pens, we can do it all on our laptop or desktop. Forget about the conventional marking method we are all so used to. I am going to teach you how to mark and annotate PDF documents on your laptops or desktops. All you need are two things. First, you will need to get a digital drawing tablet, which comes with a digital pen. Get yourself a 10-inch tablet, which is the perfect size for your laptop or desktop. There are a few affordable tablets for just under 200 ringgit. Next, you need to download the Drawboard PDF application from Microsoft Store. Drawboard PDF is free. Here's how you download Drawboard PDF. Type Drawboard PDF Microsoft in your search bar, and you will be directed to the link on Microsoft.com. Click on the link, and you will be brought to the download page. As you can see, it is free of charge. Click the Get button and your browser will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. Download and install Drawboard PDF. Now, I am going to launch my Drawboard PDF. To open a PDF file, go to Tabs, and click on the plus sign. To select a PDF file that you want to mark, click on File Explorer. Select your file, and it will launch in Drawboard PDF, where you can read, edit and annotate, among others. In Drawboard PDF, you will see a floating disk, which holds all the tools that you need. To make things easier for me when I mark, I am going to create a red pen tool, and fix it on my sidebar. All I need to do is click on the pen tool on the disk, and select the color red. Now, I need to head over to the sidebar, and if you notice, you will see an Add button at the bottom, just above the Delete button. Click the Add button, and the red pen tool will appear as one of your favorite tools. It would be useful to have an eraser tool on the sidebar, so I will go over to the disk, and select the eraser tool. I can choose the thickness of the eraser according to my preference, size 10 is good enough for me. Click on the Add button, and the eraser tool will appear on the sidebar. Now, I am ready to mark my student's assignment. I will select the red pen tool, and then scroll through the PDF document, all using my digital drawing tablet and pen. Marking with Drawboard PDF is so simple and smooth. If I have made a mistake in marking, I can easily erase it using the eraser tool. If I want to make a comment on the PDF document, all I have to do is to return to the red pen tool, select it and write down my comment. Once I have completed marking, I will need to save the document with all the annotations that I have made. Head over to the Settings button, which is located at the top of the sidebar. Then, click on the Document Options button, and choose the option, Save As. I am going to give the file a different name, and then click Save. This way, I will have both the original and the annotated files in my folder. So, there you have it folks. I hope my tutorial helps you. Thanks for watching.